Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the band's sniper indicator. Alright, so without further ado, we're heading on to the MKL5 marketplace. The indicator is currently for sale for $50 and the free demo is also available, so that is what we're going to use to test the indicator. Okay, we're going to check out how the indicator works in a minute, right? So yeah, the indicator has been added to our navigator. Just drag and drop and click on test if you want to test out the indicator yourself, obviously. Okay, so now we're just going to click on start. All right, let us analyze the indicator using our strategy tester. So this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, the indicator is actually based on envelope and TMA with arrows. You can see the arrows displayed here on the chart, the downward arrows, the upward arrows, and you can also see the envelopes, right? So the band sniper shows dynamic support and resistance. You can see these bands are acting as dynamic support and resistance levels. Okay, basically if you want to buy, you should just watch out for the candle to close. You want to look out for the candle to be bouncing off the lower band, right? As you can see happen here, bouncing off the lower band or bouncing off the middle band, right? If the trend is strongly upward, you will see price probably bouncing off the middle band, and then you want to look out for your entry points. Okay, look, get candlestick confirmation before you enter your trade, and then you can see that when the trend is downwards, you can see price will likely be bouncing off, you know, the upper or middle bands, and then moving within the lower channel. All right, now I think you should prioritize the signal from the bands over the signal from the arrows, because you can see a lot of arrows here, right? The arrows are most likely also indicating pullbacks. So in order not to get confused, I would recommend that you trade in the direction of the trend. You can just consider the arrow for additional confirmation, but pay more attention to price reacting around the bands. Okay, the bands more importantly, and then also get your confirmations from candlestick patterns or chart patterns or even other indicators, all right, for the purpose of confluence. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.